I've been around the block a few times, and I can tell you, the key to a good system is its simplicity. I've seen the complicated ones come and go, but the straightforward, reliable ones are the backbone of any solid operation. It's not about fancy bells and whistles. It's about what gets the job done right. We used to chase issues all the time. Nozzles wearing out, inconsistent cycles, sensors going bad. Since we made the switch, I barely think about it. And in this business, not thinking about your wash is a gift. Also, install was a breeze. They dropped it in, wired it up, and we were live in no time. Didn't miss a single day of revenue. My team picked it up quick. The controls are simple, intuitive, without any guesswork. That's huge when you're training new folks or running multiple shifts. Now, we're getting cleaner cars, faster cycles, fewer complaints, and more repeat business. If you're running real volume across in-bay automatics, and you're tired of your system dragging you down, this thing's built to last, and built to move cars. Being able to switch between touchless and soft touch modes has been huge. Some folks want that no-contact wash, others want that hands-on clean. Now we give them both, and customers notice. We've definitely seen more people coming back. From one operator to another, if you're looking for a system you can count on, something that's not going to quit on you a few years, go with the Evolution Turbo. That's all I was looking for, and that's exactly what I got.